Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Septian Aditya Pratama and my student number is 102500024. And I'm from class 10.28.01 and my major is software engineering program at Bina Sarana University. And this is my partner.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Hibrizi and student number ID is 1025051, also from class 102A01, Software Engineering Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss two main topics in the field of technology. The one of is artificial intelligence. We will take turns as host and guest speaker for each topic. So let's get into it. We'll start with the internet. So Hibrizi, what exactly is the internet and how has it changed the way we live?
The internet is basically a global network that connects millions of devices worldwide, allowing people to share information and communication in real time. It's changed almost everything: the way we study, work, shop, even socialize. For students like us, it's especially significant because we have access to learning resources anytime, anywhere.
But the internet also has its downsides, right? Especially when it comes for security.
Yes, definitely. Threats like phishing, data theft, and cyberbullying are very real. Many people still don't take internet security seriously, using weak password, click links, suppress link. As software engineering student, we are more aware of these risks, but public digital literacy still has a long way to go.
Right, and I think that's also our responsibility as future software engineers to build systems that are secure from the ground up, not just as an afterthought. And how do you see internet development here in Indonesia, and where do you think is heading?
Indonesian has grown a lot. Smartphone usage is high and internet penetration keep increasing, but there's still a gap between urban and rural areas. As for the future, I think we're moving towards the Internet of Things, where everyday objects like cars and home appliances will also both connect, and with 5G expanding, everything will become even faster and more internet.
So basically, the internet is no longer it's just a tool. It becoming the infrastructure of modern life itself.
Exactly, and that's why understanding it matters for everyone, not just people in tech.
Okay, speaking of that, how do you think the internet is specifically changed the way people work?
It's been massive. Remote work, for example, become possible because of the internet. Companies can now hire talent from anywhere in the world. Collaboration tools, cloud storage, video meetings, all of this really on the internet is essentially remove geographical barriers in the workplace.
Okay, that's a great point. The paramedic actually proved that a lot of business manage to keep running entirely online.
Anxiety, and I think that shift permanency change how we think about work and productivity.
Do you think equal internet access is something that can realistically be achieved globally?
It's challenge, but not impossible. It requires collaboration between government, tech company, and community. The digital divide is real, but so is the progress being made to close it.
Okay, true, alright. I think that's warp ups, but discussion on the internet. Now, let's move to our second topic, artificial intelligence. Ibriji will be the host this time, and I will be answering.
Alright, so Adit, let's talk about AI. So Adit, what is artificial intelligence and where do we already see it in daily life?
Okay. AI is a field of computer science focused on creating systems that can do tasks normally requiring human intelligence, like learning, decision making, and language understanding. In daily life, it's already everywhere, like music recommendation, spam filter, facial recognizer, navigation apps, presenting traffic, all AI. Even as software engineering student, we now use AI tools to help write and write code and detect bugs faster.
What are the main positive and negative impact of AI that you see?
Positively, AI is improving efficiency across many sectors. Example, healthcare, education, business. In healthcare, for example, AI can detect disease earlier than traditional methods, but under concern, repetitive jobs may be automated, and there are also ethical issues around data privacy and bias in AI decision making.
So it is not just a technical issue, it's also a social and ethical one.
Exactly, that's why responsible AI development is so important.
As a software engineering student, how do you see the future of AI?
I think AI will become the backbone of almost every industry. For us in software engineering, knowing how to integrate AI into what we build is going to be essential. I don't think AI will replace human entirely. Instead, the people who learn to work with AI will have a big advantage over those who don't.
That's interesting. Do you think AI can also be creative, like making art, music, or writing?
It's a fascinating question. AI can generate art, compose the music, and even write stories, and some of the results are genuinely impressive. But I think there's still a difference between AI generating content based on pattern and humans creating something for real emotion and live experience AI can stimulate understand when it creates is still debatable.
So, in a way, AI can produce creative output, but the meaning behind it still come from human.
Exactly, and I think that's what make human creativity with still irreplaceable.
Should there be regulation governing how AI is developed and used?
Definitely, without regulation, AI could easily be misused for surveillance, misinformation, or bias system as future software engineers. We also carry that responsibility is not just about building something that works, but building something that's e- ethical and safe.
Well said, I think that's a good note to warp up on. Alright, that's a warp for today. We discussed the internet and artificial intelligence, two technology that are really shaping the world we live in right now. Hope, hopefully what we shared today was useful and insightful. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.